Introducing the 2025 Skoda Superb C SPT 2.0T DI 150 horsepower DSG in sleek white exterior. This high-performance estate comes packed with features that will make every drive a joy. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort with air conditioning, ambient lighting, cruise control, and more. Stay connected on the go with Bluetooth phone, MediaMP3 Player, and Wi-Fi Network. And with safety features like Collision Avoidance Braking, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags, you can drive with peace of mind. But that's not all. This vehicle also boasts luxurious interior features such as cup holders, load cover/parcel shelf, and more. And with exterior features like Towbar Preparation and security features like centralized locking and smart card entry. This car has it all. Rest assured that this Skoda Superb has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us now or visit our website spiritskoda.ie for more information. Drive in style and safety with the 2025 Skoda Superb C SPT 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower DSG, your perfect companion on the road ahead.